Among the most creative automakers in the transportation sector has always been Mercedes. Mercedes-AMG just revealed the release of Mbux Soundrive, their newest cutting-edge technology. This cooperation, which is the first of its kind in the industry, is with innovative artist, entrepreneur, and creative artist Will.I.AM. to create a revolutionary interactive music experience. Through the use of software, motion and melody can be harmonized in an automobile by having the music respond to the driving style. This enhances the already amazing Mercedes-AMG driving experience into an immersive, musical trip by converting the vehicle into a virtual musical instrument. Mbux Soundrive translates several driving variables, like recuperation, acceleration, steering, and braking, into musical expressions using a set of sensors and sophisticated software enabling the driver to compose in real time. As the project developed, Will.I.AM encouraged the notion of utilizing his record-producing abilities to create an interactive musical experience for the vehicle. Through precise, in-car signals, the system links the car's hardware and music software, allowing the music to respond in real time to the driving parameters. Creating a fully immersive audio experience is only one aspect of the narrative. Making Mbux Soundrive into an open music platform is the ultimate objective. As a result, utilizing the Mbux Soundrive studio software, musicians from all over the world will be able to produce tracks that reflect any type of music in a brand new immersive audio format. It's nearly unfathomable to see Travis Scott or Taylor Swift driving down Rodeo Drive, enjoying the summer breeze, and utilizing their car to create the beat for their next big song. It's an intriguing concept, mostly because driving has traditionally been heavily reliant on sound and music. Some well-known lyrics or a hearty beat can make any errand or road trip unforgettable. Whether it's carpool karaoke or Ansel Elgort's getaway driver character busting out to the John Spencer blues explosion in Baby Driver. The global rollout of Mbux Soundrive will begin in mid-2024 and be accessible on Mercedes-AMG and Mercedes-Benz automobiles that have the second-generation Mbux system installed. After being notified that the Mbux software update is available in the United States, current Mercedes owners can obtain it through an over-the-air update through the Mercedes Me app or the update wizard on their Mbux display. Mercedes-AMG will make use of the interactive music experience, adds multidimensional layers to a musical track using data from the brake pedal, accelerator, steering wheel, GPS, and other elements. For example, when you press the accelerator, a pulsating sound of revving occurs. A flourish fills the chorus as you turn the wheel. According to Will.I.AM, traveling in a car can cause more than simply sound to occur. For example, as you accelerate, there's this oscillation and this frequency that occurs. Or when traveling through a tunnel with your windows rolled down. How would one go about simulating that? Furthermore, even the same song on the same drive will sound different each time because the music reacts in real time to each input. As it gets ready to introduce its own in-house Mercedes-Benz operating system later this year, Mercedes is aiming to enhance its in-car technology and entertainment options, and the addition of Soundrive is part of that effort. It has a new voice assistant driven by AI, more engaging navigation, and integrated apps like Zoom and streaming video. This is all the information that is currently available about the new Mercedes-Benz Soundrive app relationship with Will.I.AM. If you enjoyed the video, please click the like and subscribe buttons below, and we'll see you in the next one. I appreciate you seeing the video.